Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we're going to make a Spanish skillet. It's just what I call it, but don't really have a recipe. It's another one of them, cook what you're hungry for. So let's get over here and I'll show you what I got cooking. All right, y'all. Like I said in the intro, there is no written out recipe for this. This is just something that I make when I'm hungry for it. So we're going to start with 1 pound of lean ground beef. Get it chopped up. I'm going to get it browning. Alright, good enough. Once it starts browning, I'm going to add a pack of the taco sauce to it and some other ingredients that I'm hungry for that I feel make good meal. So let me get this browning up and we'll bring you guys right back. Alright, y'all, that's good and boiling. So what we're going to do next is we got some diced tomatoes with their juice. I'm going to add that in there. Get that mixed up. Now you can use like Rotella to get the extra spicy, but I don't want the extra spicy. So I just want the normal spice, because next, when this comes back up to a simmer, we're going to add a pack of Spanish rice. So let's get this back up to a simmer, and we'll put a little bit more heat under it. So all right, I'm not going to wait because I'm impatient, so we're going to go ahead and add this in. Got it all in there. Get that mixed in. Now, just need to throw the cover back on it and let it simmer until that rice is good and tender, and basically we're ready to eat. So, all right, cover this back up. We'll bring you guys back when it's all cooked up. All right, y'all, there it is. It's almost, all the liquid's almost evaporated, or whatever you want to call it. So, yeah, I cut the heat off just a minute or so ago, and we're just letting her cool down a little bit. So, next bit is to do our, try to do our taste test. These things are pretty sloppy, so we'll see how we do. So, all right, be back whenever this cools down enough that we can actually make a burrito out of it. All right, y'all. We're going to go ahead and throw one of these together. We got the grande burrito shell tortillas. See, it even says extra grande flour tortillas. So I'm going to grab some of this goodness, throw it in there. All right, got that. Now, I like guacamole and sour cream and cheese in my stuff, so we're gonna add that to it. Usually I would make my own guacamole, but I wasn't feeling it this morning, so I didn't make any. Okay, there's that. Definitely gotta throw some good cheese in there. We're gonna give her a little squirt of taco sauce, just for good measure. And then for a little extra heat, I found this Texas Pete roasted garlic flavored hot sauce. It's pretty good stuff, y'all. So we're going to go ahead and add a couple shakes of that too. So, all right. Now, get that wrapped up and we'll do our taste test. All right, y'all. Got our extra grande burrito, Spanish frying pan cooking meal. See? So, let's do a little taste test. It's all the flavors I've been hungry for, y'all. That is so good. See, y'all, you don't always have to follow a recipe. Cook what you're hungry for. I was hungry for something Mexican, Spanish. So I did the rice. I did the taco seasoning. I was hungry for something with peppers and onions and mushrooms in it, like kind of like a stir fry or a fajita. But I didn't want fajitas, so this is what we come up with. So, yeah, cook what you want. I mean, cook what you're hungry for. So there you have it, my Spanish fry pan meal. So appreciate y'all watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, bon appetit.